Hi guys, Artist here, and today I'm going to be showing you what to do when you're bored. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First off is trading. I always really love trading. A lot of my buddies like trading too, but I just think it's just so fun. You should try this out. Here, how about I trade this guy? What does he have? Oh, it's nothing like rare. I'm not rare at all. I think there's just a little glitch there. It's taking a little while. Here, let me, I'll get back to you guys when it stops loading. Okay guys, it finally loaded. That took a little while. Oh, he's kind of rare. I'm not rare. But I can maybe try for this pirate sword. Let me see. I don't really know what a lot of things are worth. Here, I'll trade him one of my swords. I have a lot of swords. Maybe, I think that's a fair trade. I don't know if I'm over trading or under trading. But this is really fun. It just when you're bored and if you want to get a cool item, just, I don't know, do adventures to work hard for it, and then eventually you can get like a spike if you work really hard for it. That's what I do sometimes. Well, he's not really accepting, so I'm just gonna, you get the idea. But yeah, so let's just move on to the next one. Sorry it took a little while to load. Okay guys, the next one is mini games. This is really fun when I'm sick. I like playing this when I'm sick, so one of my favorites is probably Sky High. Comment down below what yours is. But Sky High is just really easy, and I need easy. But I don't know. I mean, this is a fun little thing to do when you're bored. I've never really gotten to the top. Have any of you guys gotten to the top? I haven't. But try the mini games out. There's a ton. There's like a ton of mini games. And you can host mini games and play with other jammers, and yeah. Let's move on to the next one, guys. Okay guys, the next one is adventures. I think this one is probably one of my favorites. This is one of my favorites because you can get pretty good items. You can get prizes. I mean, I like prizes. I mean, who doesn't? But you can just get really good items, and my best item I got was probably a rare spiked wristband, a long one. But that was really cool. But that was playing the Forgotten Desert. Check the Forgotten Desert out. I mean, you can play the other games, but Forgotten Desert, I think, is the best one. So, yeah, let's move on to the next one, guys. Okay, guys, the next one is make a new main look. I do this all the time. I love making a new main look. Not for my channel, but like for my animals. When I say main look, I'm just saying change my outfits up a lot. So yeah, like just I don't know, like for this little cougar, maybe put a dress on him. I don't know. Maybe not the dress. Yeah, not the dress. Maybe this sports jersey. That looks cute. Just change up his colors. I don't know. Just be creative. Do whatever you want. I love this one so much because you can do whatever you want to your animal. You can make him look weird, you can make him look cringy, you can make it look really good. You can just do challenges with yourself. If none of your buddies are on to hang out with you, you can do challenges with yourself. I just think it's really fun. Okay, let's just move on to the next one. Okay, next one is den decorating. This has to be my #1 favorite because I love making, I don't know, masterpiece gallery dens. I don't know. Dude, it's just, you can be so creative with this one. You can, I don't know, Masterpiece Gallery Den, what I said, just be so creative. Maybe it's a little big, but what I was going to say, Nature Den, I mean, you can be just so creative. You can even make like a modern den. I don't know, like you can make a pet den, whatever you want. This so cures my boredom when I'm bored. I love this so much. It is so fun. Do this, guys. This will help your boredom. I promise you. So, let's move on to the very last one. Okay, lastly is the challenges. Necklace to Spike challenge is one of my favorite. Silcock here is going to help me out a little bit because not always people will trade you. So I'm just gonna tell her go because she told me to say go when to trade me, but I'm going to trade her back because I don't think this is very fair, but some people are really nice. This is pretty fun. You can just say this and you might get pretty cool stuff. I mean, I've gotten I think a straw hat. So like dragonfly wings, that's a step up from a necklace. That's pretty good. So you'd be like, yay, accept that. So thank you so much. So I think that's the last one. And this one is probably my second favorite. So shout out to you, Silcock. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.